Hello students, good morning. In last class we completed multiple choice question. Today we will start the fill in the blanks. So as you can see in the first slide there are the 5 questions are given. First one is saliva is secreted by the dash in the mouth. So saliva is secreted by the salivary gland. Okay, so here we have to fill salivary gland. Second question, number of molar teeth present in an adult humans are. So the question is asking about the molar teeth. So number of molar teeth are the 6 in each jaw. One jaw is having 6 teeth. So we are having the 2 jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. So 6 to the 12. So total number of molar teeth in the adult humans is the 12. The teeth which helps in biting the food in humans are. When I was discussing about the different kinds of teeth, then also I told about the different function of the teeth. So here the question is asking about the teeth which helps in biting the food. So biting the food, which kind of teeth is helping to us, helping in the humans? So it is the incisor. Incisor helps in biting the food. For example, when you are eating the banana, then you are biting the banana with the help of your front teeth, and this front teeth is the incisor. So answer should be incisor. Okay. Fourth, changing of food to a usable simpler form is called dash. It is called as the digestion. So when the food is digested, then it is converted into the usable simpler form. So here we have to fill the digestion. Fifth one, the largest gland in the human body is. So the largest gland in the human body is what? It is the liver. Okay. Next, let us move on the sixth question. Sixth question is amoeba digests its food in the, where amoeba is digesting its food, it is not having the different different organelles for the digestion, or it is not having the different organ for the digestion. Like humans are having the digestive system. Yes, humans are having the stomach, intestine, rectum, digestive juices. So many things are involved in the digestion process. But in the amoeba, only one cell is there. So in the amoeba, digestion process takes place in the cytoplasm. Okay. So answer should be cytoplasm. Next, taking in of food from outside is called dash. When we are taking the food from outside, then it is called as the ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking food from outside to the body. Okay, so here we have to fill ingestion, ingestion. Eighth, the longest part of digestive tract in humans is the dash intestine. So what is the largest organ? It is the small intestine. Next, finger-like projection called villi are present in dash. It is present in small intestine. Understood? Villi are present in the small intestine. 10th, absorption of food takes place through dash in the small intestine. So absorption takes place with the help of villi, which are present in small intestine. Understood? So here we completed the fill in the blanks. Next we will start the true and false. Okay, so let us move. First question is given here. Canines are meant for tearing flesh. Whether it is true or false. Canines are meant for tearing flesh. So definitely it is the true, because canine are used for tearing the flesh. It is the well developed in the carnivores. That's why it is well developed in the carnivores. Canines are the very strong and very developed in the carnivores to tear the flesh. Second, molar teeth are present in a human baby. No, it is false. Molar teeth are present in the adult human, not in the human baby. Third, mouth cavity is also known as the food pipe. Mouth cavity is also called as food pipe. No, mouth cavity is also called as the buccal cavity. and food pipe is also called as the esophagus. Okay, so this is the false. Gastric juice is secreted by the small intestine. No, small intestine is secreting the intestinal juice, not the gastric juice. Gastric juice is secreted by the stomach. Okay, so it is also false. Food is mostly digested in the stomach. No, it is also false because food is mostly digested in the small intestine. In humans, there are the 14 teeth in each jaw. In humans, there are 14 teeth. No, it is also false. There are 16 teeth in the each jaw. That's why the total number of teeth will be 32. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in stomach. Yes, it is true. Stomach or gastric glands are secreting the hydrochloric acid. Tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Yes, it is also true. Next question is about match the following. There are two columns. We have to match the first one is given the amoeba. So amoeba, there are the on the B column we have to match. Amoeba is having the food vacuole. So amoeba have the food vacuole G option. G is given there, G point. Cow is the ruminant. You can see the F point. Cow is ruminant. Stomach is storage, not the storage. Hydrochloric acid secretion. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in the stomach. Okay, so A point. Liver is the bile juice secretion. Liver is also secreting the bile juice, so liver should go with the B point. Small intestine is what should be the small intestine? Absorb water, food vacuoles. Complete digestion is the right point in this. Large intestine is absorb water, H point you can see. Rectum is storage of undigested food material. Okay, and salivary gland is secreting the saliva. Understood? So like this we discuss the match the following. Again I am telling amoeba is food vacuole, cow ruminant, liver, third stomach is secreting the hydrochloric acid, small intestine stomach is secreting hydrochloric acid, liver is secreting the bile juice secretion, small intestine digestion completed, large intestine absorbed water, rectum storage of undigested food material, and salivary gland is secreting saliva. Okay, so like this we completed the match the following. From the next class we will start the question answer of this chapter. Okay, so you have to revise properly your notes and you have to note down the important point, and this exercise at least you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, so you have to stay home, stay safe. Thank you.